Hi, my name is Nazarij Bulawka. I'm a Marie Curie postdoctoral researcher at ICAC, and I would like to tell you about Barbara Kaim. She's a renowned specialist in archaeology of Central Asia in Iran from Faculty of Archaeology, University of Warsaw. Her career began in 1970s when she was a specialist in Near Eastern archaeology, and after that, in 90s, she began her own research in Turkmenistan, starting from Old Saras and then Mele Hairam, which is located near border with Iran, where she had discovered the ruins of Zoroastrian Fire Temple. In 2005, she began excavation in Iran, actually, and then also returned to Turkmenistan more or less in the same time. She is mostly known from her papers and excavation about Fire Temple Mele Hairam and Sassanian period. She has taught at least hundreds of students specializing in Iran and Central Asia, and also created her mission in Turkmenistan and Iran, which still exists. And as a researcher, a woman researcher, was, I think, quite difficult for her, but she managed to